Hello everybody, hello guys, my name is Hussein and I wanna show you in this video how I repaired this TV remote controller. Okay, let me tell you some story. My customer brings me this remote controller related to TV controller. At first he told me this remote controller doesn't work. After that I checked any parts and I cleaned all of the parts, especially carbon parts on this circuit. After that I gave him this remote controller, and unfortunately after 1 day he comes to me again and he told me again this remote controller doesn't work. So I decided to start checking this remote controller about current or ampere leakage. After that I connected my multimeter and I choose ampere meter on my multimeter. After that I saw we have some problem about ampere leakage, because when we connected ampere meter on this circuit, we saw a lot of ampere before switching. When we connected batteries and if we don't push any switch, we had to have no leakage. But unfortunately without any switching or any pushing switches, we have some current leakage. So after that I checked all of the parts and I find some capacitors. I checked this capacitor with ESR meter, because the best test for capacitor is ESR meter. In capacitor we have some liquid and that liquid has some resistor effect, and if you want to test that resistor effect you have to use ESR meter. Okay, ESR meter shows me we have some problem inside this capacitor, and I change this capacitor and problem becomes to solved. My target and my destination in this video is this: if you repair any electrical or electronics devices or electronics machines, before you give that machine to your customer, you have to check about current leakage, because sometimes we have some leakage from capacitors or another parts, passive or active parts, and you can't see or find exactly which part has a leakage. So you have to connect before everything. You have to connect your device to multimeter and test it. I will see you in the next video. Good luck guys.